Discovering the characteristics. Y is equal to cos theta. Domain. The domain of any function is the set of all possible x values. Here, x is the same as theta, which takes all real number values from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. We have only considered theta values from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. So its domain is the closed interval of the set of real numbers between 0 degrees to 360 degrees. Domain, 0 degrees, 360 degrees. Range. The range of the function is the set of all possible y values of the function. Notice that y cannot take all real number values, since the graph does not go above 1 and below -1. The function is confined between -1 and 1. Thus the range of the function can be given as -1, 1. Range, closed interval, -1, 1. Turning points. The cosine function has several turning points in the interval 0 to 360 degrees. As we come towards the turning point from the left, the y values are increasing. As we go away from this turning point to the right, the y values are decreasing. We can say that the point 0 degrees, 1, is a maximum turning point, as the graph does not go beyond this y value. As we come towards the second turning point from the left, the y values are decreasing. As we go away from this turning point to the right, the y values are increasing. We can say that the point 180 degrees, -1, is a minimum turning point, as the graph does not go below this y value. As we go away from the turning point to the right, the y values are increasing. We can say that the point 360 degrees, 1, is a maximum turning point, as the graph does not go beyond this y value. Intercepts with the axes. A function is said to intercept an axis when it cuts or touches it. The cosine function intercepts the x-axis at the points 90 degrees, 0, and 270 degrees, 0, and the y-axis at the point 0 degrees, 1. Period. Recall the wave shape of the cosine function. The wave takes 360 degrees to complete one cycle. That is, from the y value of 1 to 0, to -1, to 0 again, and back to 1. This is called the period of the cosine function, which is 360 degrees. Amplitude. The maximum height of the wave-shaped cosine function above and below the x-axis is called its amplitude. The amplitude of the cosine function is 1.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.